Welcome to HandHracing3. We are doing April Rain, and go ahead. This is what the rain in cars. Here it comes, all raining out of the bucket. We're racing at least 64 cars this month. Please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Welcome to the Rock HandHracing3, Rockingham, Oklahoma. Is that Hammers?
Yeah.
Chippy Moons. Hammer, Chippy Moon. On your mark, get set, go. Hammer gets off to a big lead and wins easily. Chippy Moon went off the track.
No, that's Chippy Moon.
Oh, Chippy Moon went. Go. Hammer gets off to a big lead and wins easily. Chippy Moon went off the track.
No, that's...
Race 2. Reverb. My car. 21. Graveyard King. Whatever. On your mark, get set, go. Reverb gets out the lead. 21 is following behind. Spurs out and crashes, and Reverb doesn't even make the finish line, but they win. And a race 2. Reverb. My car. 21. Graveyard King. Whatever. On your mark, get set, go. Reverb gets out the lead. 21 is following behind. Spurs out and crashes, and Reverb doesn't even make the finish line, but they win. And a Race 3. Sting Rod, BMW 507. On your mark, get set, go. That's a tie, and BMW pulls away in the end and wins. BMW was on the outside. Sting Rod, BMW 507. On your mark, get set, go. That's a tie, and BMW pulls away in the end and wins. Race 4. Cruising Bruising, Greenwood Corvette. On your mark, get set, go. Yeah, Cruising Bruising gets out there a big lead. And watch out in the corner, and the Greenwood Corvette comes back to win. Cruising Bruising, Greenwood Corvette. On your mark, get set, go. Yeah, Cruising Bruising gets out there a big lead. And watch out in the corner, and Race 5. Baby Peach, Dodge Charger, Chippy Moon, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Oh. And Chippy Moon gets out to a big lead and cruises away easily. Baby Peach, Dodge Charger, Chippy Moon, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Oh. And Chippy Moon gets out to a big lead and cruises away easily. Race 6. Batmobile, Barbie Extra, Sailor Moon versus Nightmare, sponsored by Howard 3560 Gaming. Go to his channel, he's got good stuff on it. On your mark, get set, go. And Nightmare gets off to a big lead and wins going away. 6. Batmobile, Barbie Extra, Sailor Moon versus
Nightmare,
sponsored by Howard 3560 Gaming. Go to his channel, he's got good stuff on it. On your mark, get set, go. And Nightmare gets off to a big lead and wins going away. Race 7. Hammer, Chippy Moon. On your mark, get set, go. Hammer takes off to a big lead, and Chippy Moon wipes out, and Hammer wins. 7. Hammer, Chippy Moon. On your mark, get set, go. Hammer takes off to a big lead, and Chippy Moon wipes out, and Hammer wins. Race 8. Koopa Camaro, Mario Kart. On your mark, get set, go. Oh Lord, bad start. And Koopa Camaro wipes out Mario, whacks into him, and Koopa Camaro wins anyway. Alright.
don't matter.
Race 8. Koopa Camaro, Mario Kart. On your mark, get set, go. Oh Lord, bad start. And Koopa Camaro wipes out Mario, whacks into him, and Koopa Camaro wins anyway. Okay. Hammer, Chippy Moon. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, the black car one. Who's that one? Hammer or Chippy?
No, me.
No, it's not Hammer.
Hammer.
Chibi.
Chibi Moon. On your mark, get set, go. And, oh, Hammer wins going away.
Alright.
Who's that?
Hammer.
Hammer.
Chibi.
Chibi Moon. On your mark, get set, go. And, oh, Hammer wins going away. Okay, Chibi Moon is out of cars, and she will receive the mystery car. Let's see what it is. It's black and red. It's cool looking. Whatever it is.
It's the Grupo X24.
Grupo X24. Alright. Race 12. Greenwood Corvette Coupe Camaro. On your mark. Get set. Go. Greenwood King gets out the lead and gets pushed. Oh, Greenwood King manages to hold him off. What a race. Greenwood Corvette Coupe Camaro. On your mark. Get set. Go. Greenwood King gets out the lead and gets pushed. Oh, Greenwood King manages to hold him off. Race 13, Part 1. Best 2 out of 3. We only have 4 cars left. Mystery car, Aston Martin, forgot? The Reverb and my Coupe Camaro. Alright. On your mark, Hammer, right? No, Chibi Moon, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Chibi Moon gets off to the lead and wins going away. That's 1 for Chibi Moon. Part 1. Best 2 out of 3. We only have 4 cars left. Mystery car, Aston Martin, forgot? The Reverb.
Grupo.
The Reverb. And my Coupe Camaro. Alright. On your mark, Hammer, right? No, Chibi Moon, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Chibi Moon gets off to the lead and wins going away. That's 1. Race 13, Part 2. Chibi Moon, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. And Hammer gets off to the lead, and Hammer wins going away. Okay. Down to the rubber match. Race 13, Part 2. Chibi Moon, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. And Hammer gets off to the lead, and Hammer wins going away. Race 13, Part 3, rubber match. Chibi Moon on the outside, Hammer on the inside. How that was determined is I put the cars behind my back and I had my daughter choose which hand. So random choice who got what lane. On your mark, once again, Chibi Moon, Hammer. On your mark, and say go. And Chibi Moon wins barely. What a freaking. No, was that Hammer one? Hammer.
No, that was Hammer.
Hammer one.
Hammer.
13, Part 3, rubber match. Chibi Moon on the outside, Hammer on the inside. How that was determined is I put the cars behind my back and I had my daughter choose which hand. So random choice who got what lane. On your mark, once again, Chibi Moon, Hammer. On your mark, and say go. And Chibi Moon wins barely. Race 14, Part 1. Coupe Camaro, Reverb. Sailor Moon, Graveyard King. On your mark, get set, go. Sailor Moon gets off to a big lead and Reverb and Coupe Camaro. Sailor Moon wins. 14, Part 1. Coupe Camaro, Reverb. Sailor Moon, Graveyard King. On your mark, get set, go. Sailor Moon gets off that big lead and Coupe Camaro. Sailor Moon. Race 14, Part 2. Reverb, Sailor Moon, Coupe Camaro, Graveyard King. On your mark, get set, go. And Coupe Camaro gets off to a lead and goes around and wins, going away. 1 apiece, rubber match. Part 2. Reverb, Sailor Moon, Copa Camaro, River King. On your mark, get set, go. And Copa Camaro gets off to a lead and goes around and wins. Going away.
Race 14, part 3.
Yeah, race 14, part 3 rubber match. River King, Sailor Moon. Random choice once again. Same thing in the last race. On your mark, get set, go. And River King gets off to a lead and Copa Camaro wins. Going away. River King, Sailor Moon. Random choice once again. Same thing in the last race. On your mark, get set, go. And River King gets off to a lead and Copa Camaro wins. Going away. Finals, part 1. River King, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Oh Lord, bad start for Hammer. Hammer comes from behind. Oh, and they both wipe out re-race. Never mind. Finals, part 1. River King, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Oh Lord, bad start for Hammer. Hammer comes from behind. Oh, and they both wipe out re-race. Finals, race 1 re-race because both cars wiped out. It was crap, so we're re-racing. On your mark, get set, go. And good start this time. And they both almost wiped out again, and Hammer wins. Race 1 re-race because both cars wiped out. It was crap, so we're re-racing. On your mark, get set, go. And good start this time. And they both almost wiped out again, and Hammer wins. Finals, part 2. River King, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Oh Lord, bad start again. Oh Lord, and that's good because the bad start was the black car and it goes flying off the track. River King wins on account of it. You know, when he went flying off the track. Part 2. River King, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Oh Lord, bad start again. Oh Lord, and that's good because the finals, part 3.
Rubber match.
Oh yeah, rubber match. River King, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Good start. And great. Oh, Hammer. Oh, and the Hammer wins. And a shocker. Finals, part 3.
Rubber match.
Oh yeah, rubber match. River King, Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Good start. And great. And the Hammer wins. And a shocker. Finals finish. Austin Martin, Copa Camaro, forgot the subwoofer, Reverb, and Baby Peach. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends.